Mark and Craig, Pop Brothers at Law. We're going to do a midweek review of the script. We usually save it for Shut the Fuck Up Friday, but we are getting so many calls, so many messages from people who just aren't shutting the fuck up, whether they know the script or not. So that's why we do that daily script review and the stories. You got to get it ingrained in your head. Why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. Am I being detained or am I free to go? I invoked the fifth. Then you shut the fuck up. Hold on. You want to be able to do that in front of your mirror, okay? But now we're going to review it like we do on Fridays. What do you say when the cops first pull you over?
Remember, you want to be polite and respectful. The police are only really doing their job. You say, why'd you pull me over?
And then when they start asking questions,
regardless, cooperation doesn't mean answering their questions. So you say, I'm not discussing my day.
And if they ask you more questions,
politely as possible, I'm not discussing my day. And if they keep asking questions, you say, am I being detained or am I free to go, sir?
And if detained, what do you say?
You say, sir, I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right.
And then what do?
I shut the fuck up.
You simply shut the fuck up.
And if they tell you to get out of the car, you listen to them. They tell you to give them your ID, license, registration, you give it to them. Don't argue with them. That's not the time to argue your case. It's when you get to court. So be respectful, cooperate, and everything should be just fine.
And do the other things we say, like make sure your hands are on the steering wheel at all times. Don't make sudden moves. Make the officer feel comfortable and not afraid. They have a tough job to do, and some people out there might think that we have something against the cops. We don't, you know? They have a tough job to do, but we're looking out for your rights, making sure you know your rights. So if you do get that cop who's gonna do something that violates your rights, you're going to be able to prove it at the end of the day and hopefully walk away from a situation safely for both parties and everyone involved.
And that's the tip of the day.